Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to auto backup your Viber photos and your videos and your chats to your email account on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to auto backup your Viber photos and chats and videos to your email, simply open up your Viber app first. And after that guys, you can see the settings option available over here at the list just above my notes. Tap on that settings, and over here guys at the top of the list you can see the account option available for us. Tap on that account and tap on Fiverr backup again, and you will be able to see this page where your your primary account on your phone will be already synced to your Viver's application. And after that you can see there is the auto backup option available for the time frame of how much time frame you want to auto backup your information, like your chats, videos, and your uh, photos to your email, from monthly to daily. You can go from weekly and your like. And after that, tap on these include photos and include videos options as well, and then your photos and your videos along with your chats will be auto backed up to your email address on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how you auto back up your Fiverr email. uh, guys, this is how you auto backup your Viber photos, videos, and chats to your email. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.